In this video, I'm going to show you how to import videos into DaVinci Resolve. If you're new to Resolve, this is one of the first things you'll need to learn. I'll walk you through the process step by step and show a few small tricks that make your editing much easier. By the end, you'll know how to bring your footage in quickly and keep your project organized. Let's get started. First, open DaVinci Resolve. Look at the bottom of the screen. You'll see several pages. Click on the one called Media. The Media page is where you import and organize your clips before editing. If you like to stay organized, it helps to arrange your clips in folders on your computer before importing. It makes finding footage later much faster. On the left, you'll see your computer folders. On the right, you'll see the media pool. This is where your imported clips will appear. Next, find your video files. Use the folder browser on the left side to navigate to the folder where your footage is stored. This could be your desktop, documents, or an external drive. Once you open the folder, your clips will appear in the viewer window. Now let's import a clip. Click on the one you want, then drag it into the media pool. Release the mouse and it's added to your project. You can also select multiple clips and drag them all at once. This is a great way to save time when you have lots of footage. Another way to import is by right-clicking in the media pool and selecting Import Media. A file browser will open. Find your video, select it, and click Open. The clip will now appear in the media pool. You can also drag clips directly from your computer into DaVinci Resolve. Many editors use this method when they want to move files quickly without switching pages. Sometimes when you import your first clip, Resolve will ask if you want to change the project frame rate. This happens if your video's frame rate is different from the project settings. It's usually best to click Change, so your timeline matches your footage. This keeps everything smooth and avoids playback issues later. Once your clips are in the media pool, they're ready to use. You can drag them into the timeline and start editing right away. Giving your clips clear names as you import them can save a lot of time later, especially when your project has many files. And that's how you import videos into DaVinci Resolve. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more tutorials that make editing easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.